Hello children, good morning to all. How are you? I hope you all are doing good. Now let's start our class. So are you ready to learn? Yes, very good. In previous class, we have seen some topics. You know that? What are the topics in previous class? About ourselves, about ourselves and others, and identity card. Yes, that all the topics we have seen in previous class. Yes, and also I have given homework. In the book. Yes, I have given homework in your book. Yes, did you completed your homework? Book homework. Have you completed? Everybody, have you completed? Okay children, very good. All of you, very good children. Yes. Now today I am going to teach social science second lesson, the new chapter. Today we will learn our new chapter, second lesson. The second lesson name is My Body. The new lesson name is My Body. Okay, are you ready to learn? Okay, very good. Okay, now the new chapter name is My Body. The new chapter name is My Body. In this chapter we have to learn some topics. They are parts of the body, function of various parts of the body, function of various parts of the body, and then sense organs. We have to learn all the topics in this lesson. Okay, so all of you listen carefully and watch the video. Okay children, now all of you going to take your social studies book. Take fast. Take your social studies book fast. Take soon. Did you take children? Yes, very good. Page number 10. Book page number 10. Take page number 10. Social studies book page number 10. Take soon. Did you take? Yes, very good. Now you see your book. You see your book page number 10. Book page number 10. You see your book. Look at the picture. Can you see the picture? What are the details given there? One boy is there. Yes, in that picture one boy is there, and mention the parts of the body. Yes, the man mentioned the parts of the body. Yes or no? Yes. Now we have many parts of the body. Yes, we have many parts. Yes, in our body there is many parts. Yes. You know the parts. Many parts. First one is hair. First one is hair. You know hair. What is the meaning of hair? Hair means mudi. Hair means mudi. You have hair? Yes, you have hair. And then eyes. Eyes means kangal. Eyes means kangal. We have two eyes. We have two eyes. You have two eyes? Yes? Yes. We have two eyes. We use our eyes to see. We use our eyes to see the things. We use eyes to see the things, different things. We can see the different things. We use our eyes. Our eyes help us to see the shape. Yes. Now you imagine laddu. That is a circular shape. Yes, that is circular shape. Yes or no? Round only. Yes, circular shape. So how can you find the shape? You see the things and we can find the shape. Yes. So we want eyes. We want eyes to see the things. Okay. Next, ear. Next one, ear. Ear means kaadu. You know kaadu. Rendu kaadu irukuduna. We have two ears. We have two eyes and also we have two ears. Ears also is used for in many ways. Yes, we can hear sound. We can hear sound. Loud sound or soft sound we can hear. We have used our mouth to ears to hear the sound. That is loud sound or low sound. Volume. You know volume. We can increase the volume and we can decrease the volume. Yes. In the TV or radio we can increase அதிகரிக்கலாம் அப்படிதானே சவுண்ட் நம்ம அதிகப்படுத்தலாம் இல்லனா குறைக்கலாம் அப்படிதானே so we can use our ears to hear the sound அதிகப்படியான சத்தத்தையும் குறைவான சத்தத்தையும் நம்மளால இப்படி நம்ம காதை யூஸ் பண்ணி கேட்க முடியும் okay we can hear the sound we use our ears okay next nose next one nose do you know nose nose means mook nose means mook we can use our nose to smell we use our nose to smell that is some smells are good and some smells are bad yes so we can use our nose to smell the food smell the good or bad smell we can use our nose to smell good or bad smell and also our nose help us to breathe and also our nose help us to breathe நம்ம சுவாசிக்கிறதுக்கு நமக்கு எதுதான் யூஸ் ஆகுது nose only yes so nose help us to breathe nose help us to breathe and we can smell the good or bad smell okay we can smell everything yes so nose is very important for our body part okay after that mouth next mouth mouth also very important mouth also very important because we eat food yes using our mouth to we can use the food we can eat the food. We can eat the food. We use our mouth to we can eat the food. So mouth is one of the important part. Okay. And then chin. Chin means nadi. Chin means nadi. Mouth ku keela irukulla chin, nadi. Okay. And then neck. Neck means kaluthu. Neck means kaluthu. You are wearing jewels. Yes, some people are wearing jewels. So they are used to their next to wear the jewels. Yes. Next shoulder. Next one shoulder. Shoulder means tolpattai. Shoulder, tolpattai. Sometimes we carry some things. We use our shoulders. Yes. So shoulder. And then chest. And then chest. Chest means marble. Chest means marble. And then arm. You know arm? Arm. நம்ம கையில இருக்கக்கூடியது. Okay, arm. After elbow. Next elbow. You know elbow? நம்ம கையை மடக்குனா அதுல மொழி மாதிரி வரும்ல, அதுதான் elbow. Okay, that is elbow. Next we have hand. We have hand, kai. Yes. And also there is many, sorry, not many, 10 fingers. Yes. Each hand 5 fingers. So 10 fingers. We have 10 fingers. Each hand 5 fingers. So we have 10 fingers. Next one thumb finger. 10 fingers and one thumb finger. You know thumb finger? Thumb finger means kattai viral. பெரிய விரலா ஒன்று இருக்குல்ல, that is thumb finger. Okay. Next kneel. Next kneel. முழங்கால் மூட்டு. காலோட மூட்டு பகுதி இருக்குல்ல, that is kneel. முழங்கால் மூட்டு. Next leg. Next one leg, கால். Okay. Next foot. Foot means padam. Foot means padam. These are the parts of body. These are the parts of body. Okay. First hair. Next eyes. Eyes, we can use our eyes to see the things. Next nose. We can use our nose to smell the things. Next ears. We can use our ears to hear the sounds. Next mouth. We eat our food with our mouth. Next shoulder, neck, chest, arm, hand, fingers, thumb, knee, leg and foot. Okay, these are all the parts of is there in our body. These are all the parts is there in our body. Okay. Next, and also another one, our bones. You know bones, elumbu, that is inside our body. That is inside our body. Our bones give shape and support to our body. Our bones give shape and support to our body. இப்போ bones இல்லைனா நம்மளால என்ன செய்ய முடியாது, நிற்கவோ உட்காரவோ முடியாது, அப்படிதானே? So bones only give us to support to our body, give us to support to our body. Bones give us support and also the bones give us the shape. நமக்கு ஷேப் வடிவம் தர்றதும் நமக்கு சப்போர்ட்டாக இருக்கிறதும் bones. Okay, bones give us support and shape to our body. Okay. Now our body has many parts. Our body has many parts. Say, all of you, say the parts. Ear, eyes, nose, hair, mouth, shoulder, hand, leg, fingers, arm. Yes, like this many parts are there. Okay. Today all of you going to study this all the parts. Okay. See your book, page number 10. See your book and study all the parts spelling. You have to study all the parts spelling. Can you study? Yes, very good. All of you have to study today this all the parts spelling. Okay. Tomorrow I will ask. Okay. Okay, children. All of you very good children. Yes, so all of you have to study this all the parts of the body. Okay, children. Okay, have you understood the parts of the body? Now let's move our next topic, that is function of various parts of body. Function of various parts of the body. Each part of the body helps us to do some work. Each part of the body helps us to do some work. Now we will see about that. Okay. First part of the body is hand. First part of the body is hand. Our hand helps us to write. Our hand helps us to write and also eat. Then we can hold the things and we use our hand to hold the things. We have used our hand to hold the things. Also our hand helps us to write, eat and hold things. Okay. So these are the things can do our hand. These all the work can do our hand. Next, second part of body, legs. Legs also help us to run, jump and kick. Run, jump, kick and walk. Run, jump, kick and walk. So these all the work can do our legs. These all the things can do our legs. Okay. Now legs are used to can walk, run, jump and kick the things. Kick the ball or anything. Okay. So these all the things we use our legs. Next, some activities we can use our both parts, hands and legs. We have used our both hand and legs. We have used some activities. Yes, we are using some activities. We use the both hand and legs. For example, swimming, dancing, skipping, and something. Yes. So these all the activities we can use our hands and legs. Jump பண்ணனும்னா swim பண்ணனும்னா we are using our hand and leg. Yes, and dancing also we are using our hand and leg, and skipping also we are using hand and leg. So both hand and legs are used to some activities like this: dance, swim and skipping. Okay. Okay children, have you understood function of various part of the body? Have you understood this topic? Now let's move our next topic. Okay, now let's learn our next topic. So all the children take your book page number 12, book page number 10, so 12. Take fast book page number 12. Sense organs. Did you take sense organs? Now what is sense organs? What is the meaning of sense organs? Sense organs means உணர்வு உறுப்புக்கள். Sense organs means உணர்வு உறுப்புக்கள். Now what is sense organs? Sense organs are the body organs. Sense organs are the body organs. நம்ம body என்னெல்லாம் பண்ணணும் அப்படிங்கறத முடிவெடுக்கிறதே அந்த sense organs. Okay. So sense organs are the body organs. Body organize பண்றது. So sense organs are body organs by which humans are able to see, smell, hear, taste and feel. See, smell, hear, taste and feel. So every moment of every day we use our sense organs. So every day we use our sense organs. So sense organs are very special organs. Very special organs because of our sense organs help us to preserve the world around us. Preserve the world around us. நம்ம சென்ஸ் ஆர்கன்ஸ் தான் நம்மள வேர்ல்ட்ல இருந்து பாதுகாக்குது. Preserved around us the world. Preserved around us the world. So sense organs are very important organs. Okay, sense organs are very important. Sense organs receive or sensitive organs. Sense organs are sensitive organs. When you somebody touch your body, then you get the feel. Yes, so that is one of the sensitive. So somebody doing like that, you get feel. Yes, so that is sensitive. So our sense organ help us to see, smell, hear, taste and feel. So every moment we are using our sense organs. So sense organs are very important for our preserve. Okay, நம்ம பாதுகாப்பா வாழ்றதுக்கு நமக்கு sense organs யூஸ் ஆகுது. Okay, very useful for us. Okay, next we have 5 sense organs are there. We have 5 sense organs are there. Do you know that 5 sense organs? What are they? The sense organs are skin, ears, tongue, nose and eyes. Ear, skin, tongue, eyes and nose. Ear, skin, eyes, nose, tongue and skin. These all the organs, these 5 organs are sense organs. These 5 organs are sense organs. First, our skin. Our skin help us to feel different things. Our skin help us to feel different things. When somebody touch your body, then you will hit feel. Then you will hit feel. Yes? Yes or no? யாரா ஒன்று தொட்டாங்கன்னா உனக்கு ஒரு ஃபீல் வரும் தானே, யாரோ நம்மளை தொடுறாங்க அப்படின்னு ஒரு ஃபீல் இருக்கும் தானே. ஸோ தட் இஸ் த feeling. That is the feeling. When somebody touch your skin, then you will get different feel. Yes. So our skin help us to feel different things. Okay. Next, ears. Next, ears. We have 2 ears. We have 2 ears. Yes. The ears help us to hear the different sounds. The ears help us to hear the different sounds. When somebody making too much noise, we can hear the sounds using ears. Yes, we use our ears to hear the sound, loud or slow. We can hear the sound. We are using our ears to hear the sounds. Next, tongue. Next one, tongue. We taste the food with help us our tongue. We use our tongue to taste the food. We use our tongue to taste the food. For example, laddu is sweet. Yes, we taste the food and we will say that is sweet. And some bitter gourd, that is bitter. Yes, kasapu suvai. We can taste the food and we can say it is sweet, hot, salt, sour, like that we can say. Yes. So we use our tongue to taste the food. Next, nose. Next, nose. We have a nose. We have one and only nose. Yes. Anybody has 2 nose? No, only one nose. Yes, we have one nose. So we use our nose to smell. We use our nose to smell. Some good smells are there, some bad smells are there. Yes. So we have using our nose to smell the good or bad smell. Okay. and also we use our nose to breathe. So nose very important. Okay. Next eyes. Eyes. Eyes, we have two eyes. Yes, we have a pair of eyes. We have two eyes. Yes. The eyes help us to see the world around us. The eye help us to see the world around us. We can use our eyes to see the different things. Okay, we can see the different things. We can see the colors. We can see the shapes. We can see the size or everything. Yes, we can see and around the world. We can see around the world using our eyes. Okay, children. Now we have 5 sense organs. We have 5 sense organs. The 5 sense organs are very useful to us because the 5 sense organs are prevent world around us. Okay, the sense organs only prevent us. நம்மள சென்ஸ் ஆர்கன்ஸ் தான் இதை செய்யாத அப்படின்னு சொல்லி நம்மளை பாதுகாக்குது. Okay, so 5 sense organs are very important. Now what are the 5 sense organs? All of you going to say what are the 5 sense organs. Say first. Skin, ears, tongue, nose and eyes. Say all of you again one time. Skin, ears, tongue, nose and eyes. We have 5 sense organs. They are skin, ears, tongue, nose and eyes. Okay, we use our skin to feel different things and we use our eyes to see the things, and then we use our nose to smell things, and we use our tongue to taste the food. Okay, so it is very important. So all of you today have to study this sense organs. Okay, and another one, it is a fact is there. Yes, page number 12, the last 2 lines. The largest part of the human body is the one of, you can see mostly easily, skin. The largest part of the human body is the one you can see most easily. That is skin. Skin is the largest part of the human body. Skin is the largest part of the human body. You know skin, wherever you see your body there is skin. Yes, wherever you see your body there is skin. Okay, so skin is the largest part of body. நம்ம உடம்புலயே skin தான் அதிகமா இருக்குது இதுதானே, எங்க பார்த்தாலும் என்னன்னு தெரியுது, skin. Yes, so skin is the largest part of the body, human body. Okay children, now have you understood this lesson? I hope you have understood this lesson. Okay children, now all of you take classwork note. Okay, before going our classwork we have to see such a things. Okay, first hands is used for write, eat, cold, cook, beat, draw and etc. Hands is used for write, eat, fold, cook, beat, draw and etc. Okay, and then legs. Legs are used for run, jump, kick, walk, etc. Our legs are used for run, jump, kick, walk, etc. After that, both hands and legs is used for dancing, swimming and skipping. Both hands and legs are used for dancing, swimming and skipping. Okay, have you understood? Okay, now take your classwork note. Okay children, have you understood today's topic? Today you also have to read your book. Second lesson you have to read one or twice. Okay, then you will get more knowledge. Okay, now all of you take a single line note. Now all of you take a single line note. Single line. ஒரு லைன் போட்டுக்கலாம், ஒவ்வொன்றா லைன் போட்டுக்கலாம். Single line note. Take 200 page. நிறைய பேஜ் இருக்கலாம், பெரிய நோட். Take 200 page single line note. Did you take 200 page? Big note, not small note. Big note. You have to take big note. 200 page single line note. Did you take? In social classwork and homework, you have to use only one note. You have to use only one note for classwork and homework. Only one note you use classwork and also homework. Use one note for classwork and homework. Classwork and homework also you have to write in same note. Okay, ஒரே நோட்ல தான் classwork and homework எழுதணும். ஒரு நோட்டே எடுத்துக்கோ, முதல் பேஜில் இருந்து ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணு. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஃப்ரண்ட் பேஜ் classwork, ரெண்டா பிரிச்சுக்கோ. ஒரு நோட்டை ரெண்டா பிரிச்சுக்க ஒரு நோட்டை. ஃப்ரண்ட் பேஜ் classwork, பேக் பேஜ் homework. ரெண்டா பிரிச்சுக்கோ. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பேஜ் முதல்ல பிரிச்சிருப்பால அது classwork, நெக்ஸ்ட் பின்னாடி இன்னொரு பேஜ் இருக்கும்ல, இன்னொரு பார்ட் இருக்கும்ல, அது homework. சரியாடா? ஃப்ரண்ட் பேஜ் classwork, பேக் பேஜ் homework. Okay, single line note. Only one note you have to use your classwork and homework. You have to divide the note to first page, first front side classwork and back side homework. Okay, now open your note. The first front side classwork. Write all of you first page. You have to write your name and your class. Then social science classwork அப்படின்னு எழுதிக்கோ. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பேஜில் நோட்டை ஓப்பன் பண்ணி ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பேஜில் உன்னோட நேமு, உன்னோட கிளாஸ், ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டாண்டர்ட், அப்புறம் சோஷியல் சயின்ஸ் கிளாஸ் ஒர்க் நோட் அப்படின்னு எழுதி வச்சுக்கோ. எழுதிட்டியா எல்லாரும்? Did you write all of you? Next, second paper. You finish first paper, yes? Then back side, your first paper back side you don't write anything. Okay, now you start a new page. Okay, new paper, you have to start a new paper. First of all you have to write the lesson name. First of all you have to write the lesson name. The lesson name is my body. My body lesson 2 அப்படினு போட்டு ஒரு ஸ்மாலா டேஷ் போட்டுக்கோ. அப்புறம் my body அப்படினு எழுது. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லெட்டர் கேபிட்டல், my body, M Y, my BODY, body, my body. My body lesson name. Okay, then you write today date and day. Write today date and day. இன்னைக்குள்ள டேட்டும் டேயும் எழுதிக்கோ. எழுதியாச்சா? லெசன் நேம் எழுதிட்டியா? நெக்ஸ்ட் மிஸ்ஸிங் லெட்டர்ஸ். அப்புறமா என்ன எழுதணும்? ஒரு லைன் விட்டுட்டு மிஸ்ஸிங் லெட்டர்ஸ். Leave one line and write missing letters. M-I-S-S-I-N-G missing. M-I-S-S-I-N-G missing letters. L-E-T-T-E-R-S. L-E-T-T-E-R-S missing letters. Did you write missing letters? Next, leave one line and write first missing letters. Organs. O-R-G-A-N-S. O-R-G-A-N-S. Organs. Organsல O-R கீழே டேஷ் போட்டுக்கோ. அப்புறம் G-A-க்கு கீழே டேஷ் போட்டுக்க. Organs. O-R-G-A-N-S. Organs. Did you write organs? Next, the second one, mouth. Second one, mouth. M-O-U-T-H. Mouth. O-க்கு H-க்கு last letter H-க்கு கீழே dash போட்டுக்க. Okay. O-க்கு last letter H-க்கு கீழே underline பண்ணிக்கணும். சரியா? Mouth. M-O-U-T-H. Mouth. Did you write mouth? Next, third one, thumb. Third one, thumb finger. You know thumb finger? Yes. T-H-U-M-B. T-H-U-M-B. Thumb. T-H-U-M-B. Thumb. H and M under the line. H and M under the line. Next, fourth one, shoulder. S-H-O-U-S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R. S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R. Shoulder. O-க்கு E-க்கு கீழே அண்டர்லைன் பண்ணிக்கும். S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R. O-க்கு E-க்கு கீழே அண்டர்லைன் பண்ணிக்கும். Next, fifth one, leave one line and write fifth one, bones. B-O-N-E-S. B-O-N-E-S. O-க்கு E கீழே அண்டர்லைன் பண்ணிக்கும். B-O-N-E-S. Bones. Did you write missing letters? Next, leave one line. Did you finish missing letters? Leave one line and write match the following. Match the following. M-A-T-C-H. Match. M-A-T-C-H. Match. T-H-E the following. F-O-L-L-O-W-I-N-G. F-O-L-L-O-W-I-N-G. Match the following. Did you write match the following? First one, skin. S-K-I-N. Skin. S-K-I-N. First left side you have to write all and right side also write all. Okay. எழுதிட்டு அப்புறம் நம்ம அண்டர்லைன் மேட்ச் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஓகே, ஃபஸ்ட்டு நீ லெஃப்ட் சைடில் உள்ளது எல்லாம் எழுது, அப்புறம் ரைட் சைடு உள்ளது எல்லாம் எழுதிட்டு அப்புறம் நம்ம மேட்ச் பண்ணிக்கணும். சரியா? ஃபஸ்ட் ஒன் ஸ்கின் எழுதிட்டியா? ஒரு ஸ்மாலாக டேஷ் போட்டுக்கோ. ரைட் சைடில் ஹியர் எழுது. லெஃப்ட் சைடில் ஸ்கின் எழுதிட்டு ஒரு ஸ்மாலாக டேஷ் போட்டுட்டு நெக்ஸ்ட்டு ஹியர் எழுதணும். H-E-A-R. ஹியர். நெக்ஸ்ட்டு செகண்ட் ஒன் இயர். E-A-R-S. Ears. And right side feel. F-E-E-L. 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 Feel. Next, third one, tongue. T-O-U-G. Sorry. T-O-N-G-U-E. T-O-N-G-U-E. Tongue. T-O-N-G-U-E. And then right side C. S-E-E-C. Left side tongue and right side C. S-E-E-C. Did you finish? Leave one line and write fourth one. Eyes. E-Y-E-S. E-Y-E-S. Eyes. EYES, eyes. And then right side, smell, SMALL, smell, SMALL, smell. Did you finish? Next, fifth one, nose, 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 nose. Then right side, taste, TASTE, taste. Okay, children, did you finish? Now you have to match the correct answer. Okay. Skin, first one, skin, yes. You have to match. Skin is used to feel, yes. Skin for used to feel. One, you match. Skin, feel. Second one, feel. Match it. Next is ears. Next one, ears. Ears are used for hear the sound, yes. Ears are used for hear the sound. Ears. The right side, first one, hear. Match it. And then tongue. Third one, tongue. Tongue is used for taste the food, as taste. The last, right side, the last answer, taste. Tongue, you have to match taste. Last one, okay. Right side, last answer. Next, fourth one, eyes. Eyes is used for see. EEC, yes, eyes. Match it. Eyes, see. Next, nose. Fifth one, nose. Nose is used for smell. Smell. Okay, did you match? Did you match correctly? Again one time I will say, skin is used for feel. Ears is used for hear. Tongue is used for taste. Eyes is used for see. And nose is used for smell. Okay, did you completed match the following? Okay, children, now did you finish missing letters? After that, leave one line and write jumbled letters. Leave one line and write jumbled letter. JUMBLED, jumbled. JUMBLED, jumbled. Letters LETTERS, LETTERS, jumbled letters. Leave one line and write. First one, G, capital letter. Okay, all the letters are question capital. In the answer, first letter only capital. Okay, you have to keep your mind. Okay, first one, G, capital G, E R S F I N, G R S F I N. One smaller dash puttuko. Fingers, 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 fingers. Second one, BOWEL, BOWEL. Leave one line and write second one, BOWEL. Did you write? Or smaller dash puttuka. First letter capital, ELBOW, 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 elbow. Did you finish? Next, third one, KINS, KINS. Question, KINS. Put on small dash and write answer. Skin, KSKIN, SKIN, 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 skin. Next, fourth one, leave one line and write fourth one, GUETON, GUETON, tongue. Sorry, question. Next, put on small dash and write the answer, TONGUE, TONGUE, tongue. Finish. Leave one line and write fifth one. SENO, SENO. Put on small dash, write the answer, nose, 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 NOSE. First one fingers, second one elbow, third one skin, fourth one tongue, and fifth one nose. Did you finish jumble letters? Then all of you take your homework note and write the homework. Take your homework page, not note. Okay, you have to write classwork and homework in same note. So okay, so front page is classwork and your back page is homework. Okay, always keep it over mind. You have to write in same note classwork and homework. Okay. Now all of you going to write your homework. The front side is classwork and your back side is homework. Yes, I said to divide the note. Yes, did you divide? Okay, very good. First page la nama classwork எழுதணும். Next front back side la homework எழுதணும்னு சொன்னேன். எழுதுனே? Now all of you take your back side pages. Okay. There also you are going to write the date and day. Today date and day you have to write, and the lesson name. You write the lesson name. First lesson, sorry, second lesson, my body. Second lesson, my body. Find and write the fill-ups. Okay, you have to find the answer from the book and write. Page number 12. You have to find the answer from the book, page number 12. Okay, fill in the blanks. First one, we have dash sense organs. First one, WEBHAVE. We have dash sense organs. Write neatly, don't write ugly. Write your handwriting should be neat. Okay, always your handwriting should be neat. Write neatly. Okay, children. Now write first one. We have WEBHAVE. We have dash sense organs. SENSE. Sense. ORGANS. Organs. SENSE. ORGANS. Organs. We have dash sense organs. Okay, did you finish first fill-up? Next is leave one line and write next fill-up. Our eyes help us to dash. OUR, our, EYES, eyes. Our eyes help us to dash. HELP, help. USSTO, our eyes help us to dash. Next, third one. Our skin help us to dash. OUR, our, SKIN, skin. HELP, help. USSTO, to, our skin help us to dash. Did you finish? Next, leave one line and write fourth one. Our tongue help us to dash. OUR, our, TONGUE, tongue. HELP, help. USSTO, to, our tongue help us to dash. Okay, did you complete it? Did you finish your homework? Okay, all of you today have to read the book. Okay, and also you have to study your classwork note and homework. Okay, children. So tomorrow we will meet next class. Okay, children. So all of you be safe. Okay.